Well, I'm sporting my Friday the 13th hat, feeling pretty cool, and my $9 crocodile rock glasses I got at Walmart. That's right, I'm baller, man. Oh, man, just saving money at Walmart and spending money on crazy stuff, like Jason Friday the 13th hats. And if you save money, you can, spend it towards your bills, maybe buy something pretty cool for your son or your mom or, I don't know, your pet alligator's birthday. But most people that I talk to, and I've been doing the Save Club thing now 35 days. And most people that join my group or my team, whatever you want to call it, they just want extra money to pay their bills. And one person wanted to save money to go on a vacation. That's awesome. And a couple people, they wanted to and I feel bad because one person said that they had a toothache real bad, and I think they cracked a molar, did something, but they just want to fix their teeth. And have you guys had like a dry socket or got some wisdom teeth pulled out or just got a toothache or even an earache? Oh my gosh. Toothache, I've only had a couple in my whole life, and that is crazy. And you never think of, if you have earache or maybe some medical issues. And I never think of that. I don't know, now I feel bad because I've been buying like Kiss dolls and Barbie dolls and Hot Wheels and all this stuff. But if you're in pain or need some medical things taken care of, I'll do everything I can to help you to get, I guess, comfortable where you'll promote every day. Try to make it a pleasant experience. And what I mean by that is posting content, because you need to post every day. Every day. It gives you a big advantage. If you'll do video, even with a webcam or a cell phone, like I'm doing now, it definitely gives you an advantage. People can hear your voice and maybe see the pain. But if you are in pain and you got a toothache or an earache, oh man, I know it's hard to probably be in a good mood and have a lot of energy and try to tell people, man, this Save Club thing is awesome. I hope you look into it to save money for $20 a month. Or if you want to be an affiliate, it is $60. But do the best you can. To be honest, my advice, if you do have that earache, toothache, and you're like, oh God, it's going to be $1,000 or $2,000. It is very expensive on most visits to the dentist if you got to have work done. Now you can get a checkup. Maybe you do have dental insurance, and I sure hope you do. But if you don't, there's a couple things. Get a cleaning, just get a little inspection, like checking underneath the hood, seeing how you're doing. But oh my gosh, if you have to have some type of wisdom teeth taken out or some crowns or get some new choppers just because just through bad choices or bad habits or maybe just bad DNA genes. But oh my gosh, guys, you can spend easily $1,000 or $2,000 per tooth. I have a friend that had to spend $30,000 to get the choppers all decked out and looking awesome. But boy, my advice is be honest. If you're in pain and have a toothache, just tell people. Just go, you guys, ouch. My ear hurts. My teeth hurts. Everything on my body hurts. And I just want to make some extra money. Try to get some health insurance or maybe get that impacted tooth or wisdom, or there's a lot of things that can go wrong with the teeth or the ears. That's for sure. But I never think about, things as unfortunate as pain or medical conditions. And if you're in that category, I definitely appreciate it now. I've done an insane amount of video about making extra money to do that vacation or to spend it to upgrade your clothing or your lifestyle. But I'm well aware now, as of today, it's June 1st. It's the official kickoff to Save Club. I've been in the company about 35 days and I've made about $1,000 a week. I've been lucky enough to make $4,000, and I've been very lucky to save about $900. And with my funnel system, it's brought in about another $800 right now as I sit here with you fine folks. So all I can do is just story tell myself. I joined. What I'm real good at is just finding fun domain names that are kind of cheap. And if they've never been registered before, they're about $12.17 at GoDaddy. I think they're the best because you can actually just get a human online and talk to GoDaddy. anytime. It can be Christmas Eve, New Year's Day, holidays, it doesn't matter. Just pick up the phone and say, hey, I want a domain name and I'd like to forward it to something. And they'll work it out with you. Because a lot of people don't know how to build a website or forward a domain. You know, what the hell's that guy talking about with the Jason hockey mask hat on? This is what I'm talking about. And let's just talk about a little bit of training. And if you have some Ambisol or, I don't know, put a dish rag in your mouth and just chew on it. And I know in the old days, back in the cowboy days, I'd see people put a piece of leather in their mouth and just chew it. Ooh, they just make it feel hopefully better by gritting down on leather. But anyway, I'll just do about 3-4 minutes of what I do to get the results that I just told you about, the $4,000 coming in and 800 here and save 900 there. First thing I do is I buy a domain name like ilovesaveclub.com. I also like to spend about $22 at Vistaprint just to get some nice business cards, which you see on my screen. And I forward it to, in this case, ilovesaveclub.com. If I do a video like this and invite you to it, that's kind of like attraction marketing. It's where hopefully you like me or trust me, or maybe you're looking for an opportunity to save money and earn money. And you just go, hey, you know what? This Cory guy, he says to go to ilovesaveclub.com and you're going to go to this page. Now, when you're an affiliate for $60, this is the page you get. You can put your own name here. I put Cory Draper on everything. So hopefully you see it's Cory at CoryDraper.com. I own CoryDraper.com, which shows all my tremendous incomes that I'm doing right now. And this is a great web page. If you do attraction marketing where you invite people yourself without paid traffic, paying for clicks, this is a good deal. This does convert. This video is about 6 minutes. You watch it and you get a good idea. Hey, do I want to do this Save Club thing? And if you want more information or want to join, fill out this information right below my little, I'm just pointing down to it. Go ahead and fill this section out. Hit this orange button that says secure my position now. And that doesn't mean you've joined yet. Just means you're going to get an email. Open it up, and if you want to join, follow the instructions. And if you want more information for the next 30 days, guess what? This company, through AI, they will text you, email you, and even call you to give you some more information. You can talk to AI. That's right. It's not a real person, but it sounds like it. It's crazy. Technology, as I sit here in 2025, I'm like, oh my God, a robot does all my marketing for me. It's crazy. But this is a great, this is called the Power Line landing page or a capture page. It's where hopefully I get to capture your attention. Watch this video, put your information there, click it, and then we'll work it out. If you don't want anything to do with this company, just hit the X on the top right of your screen or hit unsubscribe, and I'll never bug you. The company won't bug you, and that's how it should be. It's like, hey, it's just not for me. And then boom, one and done. That's it. And if you want to come back, you can always bookmark the link. Maybe you're not ready to join because of finances, but take your time. Take your time. This is a good program. You're going to have a good time, and I think you're going to have success. Otherwise, I wouldn't do an insane amount of video that I've been doing the last week or two. But do what your gut says. And if your budget is $100, then let's budget $100. If you got $200, you can join as an affiliate. You got your membership for the month paid, $19.97. You got $22 to get business cards. You got $12, $12 to get the domain. And if you need a webcam, the one I use is called a Logitech C920 or 920C, but it's good enough. This webcam, if you like the quality, and I can make it even more clear where it's 4K and I'm almost three-dimensional. But if you're on a budget and you have $100, it's plenty to get going. And if you have 200, you can get some nice little extras that will help you on the street, or at least maybe try to do a video like I'm doing. But if not, don't worry. My team will take you in. We have 2 Facebook pages. I want you to join. We have pictures for you. We have video for you. And I feel like I'm just talking to my friend I've never met that has tooth and ear problems. I feel so dang bad as I'm sitting here talking for 9.5 minutes, but this is what I do. And I'm just talking to that one person right now. I get business cards. I make them simple, like on your screen. And on a street level, I never talk like this about Save Club. I just go ahead and welcome you or that person to what you're looking at. And the funnel system, this just came out. It's an extra $25. You should try the funnel system. it's really gotten me some signups. 3 and another 3 and another 3 and another 3. And here this afternoon, here it is. What day is it? It's Sunday, June 1st. This is our kickoff day where we go ready, set, go. But I've had 3 people pre-enroll, and I've had 1 person upgrade. And I don't know, who knows? Maybe they'll go ahead and sign up and I'll hit 2 or 3 here. But 1's great. Makes me feel good that you trust me to join my team. But I'm going to do everything I can to help you as an affiliate where you can earn money, save money. And I really want you to look in this capture page of the funnel. All you do is put your information here, the email, hit that yellow button, and see this. This video is 20 minutes, not 6 minutes like the other video I showed you. 20 minutes takes its time. All right, it talks about the comp plan and everything that I think you need or anyone else to make a decision. Do you want to join? Do you want to just wait another month? Or just, yeah, I'm not into Save Club, no big deal. But it's a good funnel, guys. I think you'll like it. And for 25 bucks, man, it's affordable and it is badass. But I've had some really good success getting people pre-enrolled. And on the leaderboard, I don't even know where I'm at right now. I think I'm always number 7. Yeah, lucky number 7. All right, I got almost 100 people signed up. And I think by tomorrow night, I might hit that magic number. All right, will it be you? I sure hope so. I think we'll have some fun. We'll keep things light. And you know what? We'll try to cheer you on. Boy, if you got tooth pain or any type of issues that medical, let's get some extra money for you. Let's take care of that problem. I'm almost 60. My body's going to start falling apart. And I get it. I'm being real. I know my aches and pains and walking slower and everything else is probably going to be down my road. It's in my future. And I want to have as much money saved as possible to hopefully go and take care of whatever issues, okay? But anyway, I'm at 12 minutes. Thank you for your time, guys, okay? And if you need me, Cory at CoryDraper.com. If you find me on Facebook, I'm all over Facebook. Inbox me there too. I'm not shy. I tell that to everybody and on my video. You're not a burden if you're asking me questions about Save Club. I'm very good at getting a hold of support at saveclub.com as well and getting information from those guys. All right, so hopefully I can help you out if you do join. But the funnel system's for everybody. If you've already joined someone else or some other team, if you want to try the funnel system, don't worry. Anybody can use the funnel system, but obviously you have to be an affiliate in Save Club to use it. All right. Okay, thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and just search me on Facebook. I'm easy to find, okay? All right, you guys have a good day. I'm going to go ahead and upload this YouTube video and produce another one real quick. We'll see you guys soon. Thanks for your time, guys. Take care.